Hey there, I just want to show you how you can add a Reflect check-in in your class notebook in Teams. So we can add Reflect check-ins in Teams, but now we can also do it in the class notebook, which is really neat. So in my team here have gone to the class notebook. If I just expand out here, I'm going to go to the content library and choose this page that I want the Reflect check-in to go in. I go to the class notebook tab here and you can see Reflect. Okay, so Reflect opens up this pane on the side, and I can choose the question that I want the students to reflect on. So it might be understanding of the content, prior knowledge, level of effort, motivation, satisfaction, confidence to succeed. So I'm going to choose understanding of the content. How well do you understand FIRMA? I can type in a specific question for the students and just click on Add Check-in to Page. Now, as soon as that's there, the students will be able to see that and they'll be able to reflect on it. They don't need to have it in their own notebook. You don't need to distribute this page to them for this to work. It will just work. So the students will come along, they will see they have these options here. They do not get to see other people's responses, they just get to respond themselves. But you will then be able to see all of the responses in that same place. So like we were seeing there, you'll be able to see the distribution of all the responses for the students, which helps you to know where the students are at. You can add lots of these, as many as you want on every page, everywhere. Now to see a little bit more detail about this, you can go to Insights in your class team. In Insights, you'll see Reflect there, and once you choose Reflect, you'll be able to see the Reflect things that the students have done both within the team and within the class notebook, and see the distribution of what students have entered for their response. So that's it, how you use Reflect in your class notebook.